Oh my. Alright, let's call it a test then. We'll get tested. This is a somewhat of a thing where I've tried the sound. I've tried the video and the sound, and it's dark, and it still sounds like crap even with the microphone. I can't stress to you enough. I don't want to break this record. It would be a record-breaking night if I did. 1980. A non-hit from the Hudson Brothers, here called Hudson, on their final album, Damn Those Kids, Elektra Records, promo, exclusive. There may be a video of it on YouTube, but none of them get copyright struck like this one will get. Anyway, I can't help the sound. I'm learning. I'm learning the new camera because I broke the tripod on the other one and I can't use it. Let's play this and see what happens. You got a side here that's stereo and a side that's mono. Don't do the mono thing because you'll be in bed for a month. These are my jokes. I stole them personally. Milton Berle willed them to me in a wheelbarrow with a giant penis. Okay, let's see here. Why is that button pushed in? This is a little chromium switch. Prepare to hear muffled sound beyond belief. I'll fix this, I swear. Until then, man, it's just you and me. Every time I see that lady, ooh, she drives me crazy. Ever staying up till 2:45, but I've been glued up. I've been living a life. Oh no, instead of looking away, I want you to be my girlfriend. I want you to say yes. I want you to know. But it's tomorrow, starting a brand new day. I'm gonna find a way to make you mine, yeah. Every time that I say maybe, ooh, she thinks I'm crazy. And she said that I'm the guy that she doesn't need. But I want so much in love. I've been living a life. Oh no, instead of loving you anyway, I want you to be my girlfriend. I want you to say yes. I want you to know. Oh, it's tomorrow, starting a brand new day. I'm gonna find a way to make you mine, yeah. Annie, you're making me ready, and I give me good. Oh, you